Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add chorus symbol bullet point in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and select your text area dragging your mouse. First I will add normal bullet point. Select your bullet point option. I will add this star bullet point. Now click on this bullet point and select all bullet point and press right button for your mouse, and here you will find this more bullet point option. Select here. Now select here category symbol, already selected symbol, and select here miscellaneous option and scroll down. Here you will find this chorus mark option. Simply you can add here, click here chorus, and now chorus, and see this chorus symbol bullet point already added. And again see this, press right button and select here more bullet points and select here symbol option and select here miscellaneous option. Here you can add this chorus mark bullet point. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.